Thermostat common wire miswiring can instantly fry control boards or leave your system powerless if the blue common wire is mistakenly landed on the B terminal instead of the C terminal during replacement. When replacing a thermostat, first kill power at the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester at the furnace control board to avoid live wire work. Treat the blue conductor as the common wire, but confirm at the air handler or furnace control board where the blue actually lands, because color conventions vary. Trace the blue from the thermostat cable into the equipment cabinet and confirm it is physically connected to the terminal labeled C or common on the control board. If it instead ties into a B or O B terminal bundle, do not hook it to C at the thermostat until you verify the function. For heat pump systems, the B or O B terminals often switch the reversing valve and are energized differently, so connecting a true common to B can backfeed 24-volt power into the reversing valve circuit and damage relays or the board. If the old thermostat had a jumper between B and C, document that, remove the jumper, and understand why it was there. Jumpers sometimes masked missing wires or adapted single transformer systems. Use a continuity meter to check for continuity between the blue conductor and the control board C-screw. A reading near 0 ohms confirms correct common. If you must extend or splice the common, use crimped connectors with heat shrink or approved wire nuts and keep splice locations inside accessible junction boxes. Avoid loose twist-only connections. After wiring, restore power and verify the thermostat receives 24-volt reference from R to C using a small multimeter set to AC. Expect about 24 to 26 volts on most residential systems. If anything reads open or the reversing valve terminal shows voltage where it should not, shut power off and reevaluate wiring and jumpers before powering again. One of the top 3 common mistakes when replacing thermostats is misidentifying the common wire because of inconsistent color coding, which causes thermostat no power or equipment damage. Fix by tracing the conductor to the control board and verifying it is tied to the C common terminal. The second is landing blue on B or O, B on heat pump systems, and thereby energizing the reversing valve or backfeeding the control board. Fix by confirming system type, checking the previous thermostat wiring, and only connecting blue to C when the board shows it as common. The third is leaving old jumpers or invisible adapters in place that mask missing wires and create unexpected circuits, 10C. Fix by removing undocumented jumpers, labeling each conductor, and referencing the furnace or air handler wiring diagram printed on the inside panel before final hookup. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC and electrician contractors who regularly handle thermostat swaps, so homeowners can find licensed pros for tricky heat pump or control board issues. For contractors, the directory drives qualified leads by matching their specialties to homeowner projects, helping ensure safer, correctly wired thermostat replacements.